In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up a PIN for your CIBC credit card. Setting up a secure personal identification number, or PIN, is an essential step in ensuring the safety of your transactions. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open the CIBC mobile banking app on your smartphone. Once it's open, sign into your account using your credentials. If you're new to the app, make sure you have your login details handy. Signing in will take you to the main dashboard, where you can see an overview of your accounts. Once you're in, scroll down until you find your credit card. It should be listed among your accounts. Next to your credit card listing, you'll see a small menu icon. Go ahead and tap on that icon to bring up more options related to your card. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Choose PIN. Tap on this option to proceed to the next step. This will take you to the screen where you can enter your desired PIN. Now, think of a PIN that is both secure and memorable. Enter the 4-digit PIN that you want to use for your credit card. Try to avoid using easily guessable numbers, such as consecutive digits or significant dates. Once you've entered your new PIN, you'll be prompted to enter it again. This step is important as it confirms your selection and ensures there are no mistakes. So, re-enter the same PIN to confirm it. After you've confirmed your PIN, tap on the Done button. This action finalizes your PIN choice. Following this, you'll see an option to tap Next. Go ahead and tap that to move forward in the process. At this point, CIBC will send a verification code to you. This is a security measure to confirm your identity. Check your messages or email for this code, then enter it into the app when prompted. The verification code is usually sent quickly, but if you don't see it right away, give it a moment or check your spam or junk folder. Once you've entered the verification code, continue following the prompts. And that's pretty much it. Your new credit card PIN will now be successfully set up. Congratulations, you've just enhanced the security of your CIBC credit card. Remember, keeping your PIN confidential is crucial in safeguarding your financial information. Avoid sharing it with others and be cautious when entering it in public places. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your CIBC credit card PIN. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to CIBC's customer service. Have a great day.